everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 5-minute quick finishers. Today we're doing legs with sliders. Let's get started. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Grab one slider only. We have front diagonal lunges, 30 seconds on each side. So it's not directly forward. We're gonna go to the diagonal. So in and up. Toes on the slider, in and up. A little bit in diagonal, up. In and up, and in and up. And switch legs. Nice job switching legs again. Now we are going directly forward. Forward lunges. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Forward. 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 And switching legs. Almost there. The next one is back lunges or reverse lunges. Switching legs again. And now, lunge back and up, back and up. Switching legs. Okay, we're gonna switch legs again. Now we have leaning forward to reverse lunge. That means we lean forward and keep the back leg straight and up. And up, keep the back leg straight, lean forward, sink into your heel. Sink into the heel and up. Sink into the heel, pull up. Switch legs. Whew. Sink into the heel, pull up. Sink into the heel, pull up. Keep breathing. We have one exercise left. Sumo jumps. Okay, both of your sliders. Okay. From here, first position, open into a sumo jump, in. Open the other side, in. Open, in. Open, in. Jump, a little jump to close. Open and in. Open, jump to close. Open, jump to close. Open, jump to close. Almost there. Yay! We did it! 5-minute quick finisher for the legs. Done. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.